Hello.
Hi there.
Hi, how are
Hey,
you?
good, Ramzan. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
I'm Rhonda, and I'm here in Canada.
Mhm.
Oh, and you're in India.
Yes, I am from India.
Great. Wonderful. Lots of friends.
Yes.
Lots of friends.
So basically, I am working on my listening skills. So what I want is I wanted to discuss about the culture of your country, and I'm also interested to share with you about the culture of India. And if I am making any mistake on the way, then please let me know that how to correct the things. And even also, I'm working on my pronunciation. So just help me to improve all these things.
Oh my goodness, you're great already.
Thank you.
You're very good. Oh my gosh. And you have the nicest smile. Oh my goodness.
Yes, yes, because this is the
Hello.
yes, sorry.
Oh, there you are. Oh, I lost you for a minute. Sorry, what were you saying?
Yes, actually, I was talking about that. You told me that I am smiling because I have also committed this time for the entertainment and for improving myself because I am communicating with a lot of different people around the world.
Yes. It's great. I've been doing this for 2 whole days and I'm talking to everyone. You're my first friend from India though. And do you know anybody that lives in Canada?
I am not sure. Actually, there are a lot of tutors on the Cambly to who I
Yep.
talked with, but I'm not. I don't remember the name.
Oh. Oh, okay. Did you want to hear about Canada or are you going to tell me about India?
Yes, I wanted to know first of all about you. So you are from
Oh, about
Canada,
me.
right?
Yes, I was born here in Canada
Uh-huh.
and I have three three kids. I'm old. I work from home. Uh, I love this job because I get to talk all day, like all day. And I love meeting people from different cultures and I love cooking food from different cultures too. I
Okay.
make a great aloo roti. Aloo roti, I've got it down like this. I make lots of curry, like curry chicken, and rice. And yeah,
Can
that's
you
my
can you
Indian
please
story.
keep your mic a little closer?
Oh, okay.
Yes, I
There we
can hear
go.
you clearly now. So, what's your profession? You are only working on this Cambly, or you are also working on another profession as well?
I I also do police videos. I type out for the Crown for the for the court system.
Uh-huh.
So I get sent a video. You know how they have a police officer and maybe a witness or a victim,
Mhm.
and they speak to each other, and then I have to type that out. But it's very depressing because it's not good stuff. It's not. It's awful. But yeah, so I think this is better for me because I get to chat with people and I get to learn just as much as you guys get to learn.
Yes,
It's wonderful.
yes. Earlier, I was also not able to talk with any girl, and I was having the shyness because in my college I was not much extrovert. But on the Cambly, I met with a lot of other people, so in that way, I got more confidence.
Oh gosh.
Yes,
So you're shy? Are you just shy to talk to girls or are you just shy to talk to anybody?
yes. Anybody who is having a good level of
Oh.
English speaking.
Oh. But you speak really well. You really do.
Yes, actually now I am.
So I would.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. But you didn't before. Okay.
Yes, yes. So other than that, regarding your culture, so I found that in different countries there is a culture of marriage in which there are about 100 people they are inviting. So is it like that in your country also?
What about marriage? That 100 what?
I mean on the marriage ceremony.
Okay.
So in India, about a minimum of 300 people come to that specific function.
Oh, well, it all depends. I think Italian people, they have like 500 people.
Oh,
Canadian people, I know, they always make a nice big show. During COVID, nobody's really having ceremonies, but I think maybe about 100 people,
okay. So
like Canadian people. Yeah.
okay, and other than that, I also found that I mean, for example, you are the parent of three kids, right? So
Yes.
at the age of 18, so they become independent, or you are still supporting them in terms of money, expenses.
My 25-year-old daughter, she lives here
Mm-hmm.
and she does work, but I support her. Like I pay for the house and the food and everything, and she keeps her money. She would never think of giving me anything. And then, but my son is 30 and he lives with his dad in Toronto. I live outside of Toronto, and my 19-year-old daughter went away to school,
Mm-hmm.
so she lives. But she comes back. I keep the bedroom here, so my kids can come back anytime. Yeah, I like them here.
Okay, so you mean that?
So,
Yes, go ahead.
oh, sorry. No, but there's a lot of Canadian mentality that say, "Okay, you're 18. Bye." Like I don't like that. I don't agree with that at all. I just you can stay here. Get it. Is that the way it is there?
No, no. In India, there are a lot of, I mean, different cases, like about 30 years of a person who is still dependent on their parents. So this is the case. But in your country, if you
Oh.
are, if you, there are some people who are in the Canada or maybe any other country. So if they are doing that thing, then somehow this is helping to them, because in that way they will be more focused on their work, and if they are not I mean fulfilling their expenses, then obviously they will have to grow. There would not be any other alternate for them. And over here in our country,
Ah.
uh, there are people who are looking for the government jobs and other jobs, and for that they always remain preparing for their exams and still dependent on their parents. They don't even do the part-time job. So this is actually
Oh, wow.
this actually uh, increase the unemployment.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Uh-oh. Just somebody's at my door. Oh my goodness. Oh well. I don't care. I don't answer the door. It's a delivery. Quinty, there's a delivery. Sorry about that. Okay, there's a delivery. Can you get the dog? I'm so sorry. I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
okay, no problem.
So you live with your parents still?
Yes, I live with my parents, but like your children, I have also I have to do the work, and I'm also doing the same thing, and I'm earning my own money.
Oh, good. And
Yes,
how old are you?
I am 24.
24?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because my daughter would like you. You're very nice.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
You're very
thank you so
nice.
much for your time.
Well, thank you. This